Hey, what's up you guys? Mark Furlow here. Just going to cover real quick some options on recording your audio and ensuring that you select the right microphone and speakers and everything to get your Google Meets up and running. So I'm going to cover all the options that are available to you with your speakers and your microphones, how to select and deselect them, but also how to make those things function properly in your Google Meet. So here we go. First of all, I've got my Google Meet. I'm getting ready to start it. Notice I haven't started it yet. So the first thing I want to look for is this little speaker icon. Okay, when I click on that, it's going to show me the speakers that are currently selected. When you plug in your tablets into your docking stations, you have essentially you could have 3 or 4 options that come up. Okay, now of course I have the headset on, so that's the one that we're seeing here. But some of these options are, this one would be a monitor that I have connected to my machine. This one's the sound bar of the monitor. If I scroll down here a little bit here, this would be headphones. I don't have any headphones connected here, but I do have a headphone jack that comes out of either my sound bar or out of the back of my docking station. I have speaker headphones, and then I have line. Line is going to be the one for you. This is going to be the one that comes out of your docking station. It's going to be the one that goes to your projector. Okay, so long story short, none of these will work for you except this one, speaker headphones, unless you connect a specific microphone like I've done with the headset that you talk through. Okay, you certainly have that option if you have a Bluetooth headset, if you have just a simple headset with a mic on it, even if you have little Apple earbuds that have a little microphone in them, you could use those as well. And quite honestly, they may be clearer for the students on the other end, but you would have to plug those in and test them and make sure they work. Okay, and so then you would have to select the correct one from the menu here. If you're just going to use your tablet speakers and your tablet mic, and you can, and sometimes they sound great, so don't worry about it too much, you're going to want this piece that says speaker/headphones Realtek audio. On your machine, it should say the same thing. Notice these two here, they say one says speakers and one says headphones. That's not it. Speakers/headphones. That's the one you want. I'm going to go over to that real quickly, and you won't be able to hear me hardly at all. Okay. Okay, so now I've clicked over to that, and this mic's coming from my tablet, and I'm looking at my screen, and it looks like you can hear me. So that's the one that you're going to choose to deal with your students. I'm going to go back here to the headset just for my own purposes, and now I've got my headset up and running. Okay, so let's say I want to go to the meeting, and I want to see how things are running to see what's going to work. I've got my meeting set up, and you can go ahead and test this before students join your meeting. Okay, so I'm in my meeting. Everything's still good on the headset. This info is good. I don't really need that. So here I'm going to go to my settings. These 3 dots over here, and I'm going to pull up my settings. This is where I'm going to choose for my communication, for my headphones or my speakers. Okay. So my microphone is the USB headset. I have all of these options. All right. Again, if you want to choose the correct one, you need to choose it first over here off of this drop down, because now you got all of these, and notice these are labeled different. So you're going to have to figure out which one of these is working as you go through the selections piece if you change them. So you would select one and then talk and see if it's working. Let me pull that up. So my speakers, see this says speaker headphones audio, using different devices as your mic and speaker can cause echo. It's probably echoing to you now, I'm sorry. So I go to headset. Now I've got it, I can test it. You can't hear it, but I can hear it in my earbuds in my headphones. The mic is working because I can see this little green thing moving, and it's good. If I change this, I'm going to change both of these things. I'm going to go to Realtek USB audio. Actually, I'm going to go to this one, see if that works. Testing, testing. You see you can't hear me. Testing, testing. There, now you can hear me. So now you can tell that I've got a mic that's working. And if I want to use this, oh, well, I'm back on the headset. I want to use a different one. Testing, testing. Okay, so that's the mic and speaker that are coming out of my tablet. You'll notice I got to test it a little bit to make sure it's working and to make sure I've got the right one. You will probably have to do this. Conversely, if you don't want to do any of this, you don't want to hassle with it at all, you can just unplug your tablet completely from your monitor and unplug it from everything, from your dock, and then it'll automatically default to the one choice that's on your tablet. And the one choice that's on your tablet is the only one that will work. So I believe that's going to be speaker slash headphones. Okay? And that's the one that's going to work for you if you just want to talk through the tablet. Okay, guys, I hope that's helpful to you, and I hope it's going to work for you. If you got any questions, please give me or your local technology specialist a shout, and we'll see if we can't give you a hand. Thanks.